Just grate some sausages and your snack's ready in minutes. Folks, I've grated 4 sausages here. Now, let's set this aside for a moment. In another bowl, we'll add 4 eggs. Let's season with a bit of salt and black pepper. Now, we'll beat it really well. Next, we'll add all our grated sausage. Once that's done, we'll mix it again. Now let's pour everything into a frying pan. We'll spread it out a bit. Then, cover and cook for about 3 minutes until golden on the bottom. Now let's flip it using the lid. After flipping, we'll add some mozzarella on top. Let's finish with a sprinkle of oregano. Cover and let the cheese melt. Once done, just plate it and enjoy. Look how amazing this mini sausage pizza turns out. It's super quick, easy, and delicious. Perfect for a snack. I hope you liked it. Try making it at home. That's another recipe from Pobre na Cozinha. A big hug to you all. See you next time. Thanks.